Hi YouTube, I'm Aiman. Welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. In this video, I'm going to tell you why you should replace your car's cabin air filter. Alright, so just look at this air filter. It's dirty, it's black, it has a ton of dust in it, and we don't know how long it's been since this air filter has been replaced, since my family bought this car from a friend. This car is about 9 years old, and it's been about, its mileage is around 270,000 miles. And it looks like this filter hasn't been replaced since it was bought. And just to compare, here is the new air filter. Now, when my mom saw this, she compared it to, what your lungs look like after you smoke. Alright, so that being said, let's talk about the importance of the air filter. Now, the air filter regulates all the air that's coming into your car. It regulates all the air that you're breathing. So, like the heating, the ventilation, and the air conditioning, all the air is going to be coming through this filter, and it's going to be blocking all the harmful particles so that you get some clean air. Now just take a look at this and tell me, what do you think is going to come through this? And I don't know, I've been in this car like 5 times, so looking at this air filter right now, I can kind of see why. And if you have like a terrible musty smell in your car and you can't find the source of it, it might be the source. The air filter might be the source of it. So maybe if you look around and you can't find any old towels or coffee stains or something, the air filter is probably the cause of that bad smell. And it's a surefire sign that if the air you're breathing is terrible, it's the air filter. So new air filters vary in price. This one costed less than $8. You will find some that are around $50 though. It doesn't matter, it's just a paper air filter and it's easy to replace. And Toyota recommends that you replace your air filter around 15,000 miles, every 15,000 miles. So that being said, in my next video I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter. So go check it out. One thing to mention is that even if you don't have a Toyota Prius, so if you have a modern car, you should still check out videos on how to replace your car's air filter, because it is very important to make sure that your air filter is clean. Because the quality of your breathing air is very important. And looking at this air filter, jeez. By the way, my mom is right. So the person that we bought this car from, he bought the car at around 130,000 miles, and for 2 years he's been driving it while smoking, and this is the result of it. So my mom is right. This is what your lungs will look like after you smoke. So just remember that, kiddies. I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EYeOnAiman, especially that next video. And I'll see you next time. Signing out. Peace.